Cleaned all these out, changed the fluid, and now to put the pads back in. They have got a bit of copper on the back. Yeah. Pins cleaned. Cramp on this floor. There you go, all done. Okay, putting the back wheel on. So everything's grease lubed in, all that jazz inside there. This comes off. That's why I didn't know that. So getting the wheel off was a pain, but this twists. It's got a lock, twist, take it off. So put the wheel in, put that over the wheel, and then put it back in, and it goes in fine. The other issue is this has gone down over a couple of days that I've been doing this, so it's dropped. So I've had to jack it up just a bit, just to get the right clearance to get the wheel in. And that's the wheel on the splines. Now I've got to put the brake caliper on. This is the fun bit. In, aligned. Now I need to get the brake mount. There's two holes. Get this one on here. This is the 3-step pin that goes through here. I couldn't do it. Frankie got it through in about 20 seconds, but if I put it on the lower one and then go for the upper one, I can put the jack under it and move the wheel up and down. Hopefully I can get it. We'll go for FT on that bolt. Yeah, we're out by about 5 mil or so. Yeah, we're on. Okay, mission complete. 110 Newton meters or 80 foot-pound, depending on what side of the ocean you swim on. That feels really tight, but hey ho. While all this is up, I'm going to sort this out, and I'm thinking about removing these. It's only a 12mm in there because they hold the big skirt thing on. I'll leave them on for now. See what happens. So pretty. So I got a new metal one. There was no O-ring in there for some reason, but I put one in now. Reading the electrics and took about 6 feet of cabling out. Oh, it's nice. Now then, this is the bit that I do not like. I've checked all the pinch bolts, major nuts, everything, torqued everything to the correct setting. And this has to align with that. And that one with that one. Nightmare. Let's give it a go. Dun 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 dun. That's in there, that's in there. Forgot about this problem. The fairing sits under these bars. This is definitely a two-body job, but here we go. See if we can do it. Oh, that's so close to getting my finger. Let's make sure it didn't. Don't have much feeling in my hands. Let's double check. nipped it, but they broke me. That'll be that. That'll be down. Now is the difficult part. I'll be back. I had to jack the back up to lower the bar to get the pin right through, which I've managed to do on this side. Bolts in after a long fight. Top bolts secured, torqued. Now exhausts, which I have put new seals in them and ready to go. Nearly holiday time. Like a dream. Yeah. New tyres, what a difference, eh?